Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. So if you have recently switched from Windows to a Mac, and one keyboard shortcut can be surprisingly confusing, like when you use Option and Command and Delete button together. Unlike Windows where Shift plus Delete permanently deletes a file, the macOS works a little differently. So let's understand what this shortcut actually does. So when you normally delete a file on a Mac by simply by doing a right click here and then move to bin, it actually sends your file inside the recycle bin. So what if you want to bypass this, like you don't want to send that file, that you don't need it anymore, and without sending it to the recycle bin, you want to directly delete it. So there is a quick way to do that. So I'm opening recycle bin and then I'm putting it back. Now it came back to my desktop again. And now if you want to simply delete it without putting into your recycle bin, then you have to simply press in on your keyboard Option, Command and Delete. As soon as you press these three keys on your keyboard, it will ask you like, are you sure you want to delete this text file, and this item will be deleted immediately. You can't undo this action. And when I hit delete, it doesn't go inside the recycle bin and it straight away gets deleted. This extra confirmation that you just saw is just an intentional pop-up, like Apple designed macOS to prevent accidental data loss, so it will gives you one last chance before permanently deleting your files. So if you're trying to delete any file that should not go to your recycle bin, you can do it by simply pressing Option, Command and Delete button together. So that's it, and I hope you find this keyboard shortcut really very helpful. And if you have enjoyed this video till now, please give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my videos. I keep making this kind of videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.